Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about another method of data representation, bar graph. Now, we solved a few examples on pictograph and we realized there are many disadvantages of pictograph. We saw it was really time consuming. Drawing those pictures, it was real time consuming. We also know that drawing those pictures, everyone can't do it. So it is not for everyone, because like person like me who's not good at drawing will find it very difficult. And we know this is mathematics. We are not talking about the drawing competition. And hence this is certainly a disadvantage. And we also saw when the data cannot be divided by the scale, we have to make use of symbols, partial symbols, or we had to round off. So the numbers which are not completely divisible by scale are difficult to represent. And because we have so many disadvantages of pictograph, we want to go to a method where we don't see these disadvantages. And in this new method, what we do is, instead of a picture, we use a common thing, which is a bar. We use a bar, and the bar is just like a rectangle. And drawing rectangle is not difficult. And what we do is we keep the width of the bar same, but we increase or reduce the height of the bar to represent the number which you want to show. And this new method is called bar graph. Let's take the example which we did in data organization, and then we tried to use a pictograph for that. Let's use the same example to draw a bar graph. We had this frequency chart where sports and number of students who play that sports. And we saw that these numbers couldn't be nicely represented using a pictograph. And we'll see now if bar graph can help to represent these numbers properly. So in bar graph, first thing is we need to draw two axes, one vertical line and one horizontal line, which make 90-degree angle with each other. So let's draw that. So we always start with drawing these two rays. This one is called x-axis. The horizontal one is called x-axis. The vertical one is called y-axis. And we can represent one of them like the sport or the number of students on one axis. Generally, we use x-axis to represent the category. So let's write down the category here. We keep the same distance between the categories. So we have displayed the categories on the x-axis, and on the y-axis we are going to display the number of students. Now the maximum number of students are 12, so we will divide this such that we can represent the maximum number. So I'll use a scale, let's say of 1 to 15. So we have marked the number of students here. So this is number of students, and this is the sport. And now we are going to draw bars which has same width but height which is equal to or based on the number of students. Here is our first bar, and we have to make the height which is equal to 9. So it's here. One bar drawn. Now we have to draw the second bar, third, fourth, fifth. So let's draw all the bars. Once we draw all the bars, this is how the bar graph looks. And at this point, we write the scale for the y-axis or for the values. So here we are using one unit is equal to 1 student. So we are using, that is our scale. Some salient features or some important features of this are the bars have equal width. This is important and we have to maintain equal width of the bars. The two consecutive bars also should be equally spaced. The height of the bar depends upon the value. In this case, number of students. We need to decide a proper scale so that the bars do not go beyond our graph. So it is vital to decide a proper scale. And all this is drawn between these two axes. They are the reference axes. These axes are named as x-axis and y-axis. That's bar graph for you. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.